Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today is 11th February 2023 and all the important questions that can be made of today's current affairs we will discuss in this video today, and I will also tell you the facts related to it. So watch full video carefully, and it's important for all the competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, which country has declared a national disaster amid severe energy crisis? So correct answer is B, South Africa. Second question is, where are the reserves of lithium found for the first time in India? So correct answer is C, Jammu Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir's Har Gaon Haryali initiative has created a record of planting 90 lakh saplings. Chillai art has started in Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir hosted the tribal winter festival for the first time. Third question is, which country has launched Operation Dost to help Turkey and Syria? So correct answer is A, India. India has become the number one country in the world in milk production. The name of the Mughal gardens located in the Rashtrapati Bhavan has been changed to Amrit Udyan. India has won the Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup. India has become the first country to support Sri Lanka's debt restructuring program. Fourth question is, which Indian golfer has won the Kenya Ladies Open title 2023? So correct answer is B, Aditi Ashok. Fifth question is, which country will remove Chinese cameras from its offices over spying concerns? So correct answer is C, Australia. Australia has announced the removal of pictures of the British monarchy from its currency. Australian women cricketer Belinda Clark has unveiled her own statue. Veena Nair has received the Prime Minister's Award in Australia. Sixth question is, which country has launched sniffing robot to detect disease and improve security checks? So correct answer is A, Israel. Adani Group has acquired Haifa port in Israel. UAE and Israel have signed the first Arab Free Trade Agreement. Israel successfully tested the new naval air defense system Sea Dome. Seventh question is, Google has paid tribute to which actress of Malayalam cinema on her 120th birth anniversary through a doodle? So correct answer is C, P.K. Rosie. Eighth question is, where has Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the Global Investors Summit? So correct answer is D, Lucknow. Ninth question is, what is the rank of India in the Global Quality Infrastructure Index 2021? So correct answer is B, 10. 10th question is, where has the third edition of Khelo India Winter Games started? So correct answer is C, Jammu and Kashmir. 11th question is, who has been appointed by drug maker Pfizer to head its Indian business? So correct answer is B, Meenakshi Neotia. Toyota has named Koji Sato as the new CEO. Victoria Gauri has been sworn in as a judge of the Madras High Court. K. Satyanarayan Raju has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Canara Bank. Nepal Cricket Association has appointed Monty Desai as the head coach. 12th question is, which bank has started a pilot project to launch coin banding machines? So correct answer is A, RBI. The Reserve Bank was established on 1st April 1935 and its headquarters is in Mumbai, and its governor is Shaktikant Das, and he is the 25th governor of RBI. 13th question is, who has been selected as the chief astronaut of NASA? So correct answer is C, Joe Acaba. NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It was established in 1958 and its headquarters is in Washington, D.C. 14th question is, Nisar satellite is developed by ISRO and which country's space agency? So correct answer is C, America. Nisar is NASA ISRO synthetic aperture radar. America has opened its embassy in Solomon Islands after 30 years. Kevin McCarthy has been elected as the next Speaker of the US House of Representatives. America has made a new law for people coming from across the border. The US has approved the use of world's first vaccines for bees. 15th question is where has the meeting of Urban 20 City Sherpas started? So correct answer is A. Ahmedabad. 16th question is where has the 68th India International Garment Fair has been inaugurated? So correct answer is B. Greater Noida. 17th question is which state government has approved the new industrial and EV policy? So correct answer is D. Punjab. 18th question is who has inaugurated the Mission Antyodaya Sarvekshan 2022? So correct answer is D. Giriraj Singh. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Giriraj Singh inaugurated the Mission Antyodaya Sarvekshan 2022-23 in New Delhi on 9th February. 19th question is which has become the first step in India to support credit cards on UPI? So correct answer is A. MobiKwik. India's leading fintech MobiKwik becomes the first fintech app to support RuPay credit card on UPI. 20th question is which country will host 108 Buddhist pilgrims from South Korea? So correct answer is A. India. This event is being organized to mark the completion of 50 years of diplomatic tie-up between India and South Korea. The yatra will start from February 9 and will continue till March 23. This journey covers the places from the birth of Lord Buddha till his nirvana. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें। थैंक यू।